So here we are with the week three coding assignment. We were supposed to write a code that accomplishes some objectives. So first, we were supposed to do an array called ages. So here we have on line 11, we start with our variable ages and then we input the ages. We console log the ages length starting from 0. Um, we push 13. Um, and then we console at the end of and we actually do also have a loop um, subtracting the value of the first element. And then um, we console log of the ages length, which gives us over here 90. Question 2 has two parts. So we're supposed to create an array called names. So we have the following names. We also have a loop to irradiate through the array, calculating the average number of, the names. And then we count the log and it gives us 10. Number 3, um, how do you access the last element of an array, which is console log ages array length. Ages length minus 1 because we want to remove 1 at the end. And that gives us uh, two, let's see here. So it's 0. Um, Number 4 would be how do you access the first element of an array, and then we are actually always start with the index of 0. Number 5, I create the new array called name length and a loop to irradiate over the previous, which is right here, and then console log the name length. Um, and then number 6, we write a loop to radiate over the length 3 to calculate the sum of all the elements, starting with the index of 0, excuse me, and adding the sum of the length, name length, which console logs the sum of the total. Number 7, and you can see the answers over here in my console log. Okay, so number 7, so we're supposed to write a function that takes two parameters to work with and as an argument to return concentrated. So pretty much we wanted to say a word 3 times. We our function, we create a function in our loop to create the word hello 3 times. We also supposed to write a function that takes two parameters, first and last name, and returns the full name, which is pretty easy. It gives first name plus last name, and then I submitted my son's name here. Um, Write a function that takes an array of numbers and returns true to the sum of our numbers in an array. Uh, it's greater than 100. So uh, we started with our function here with the array, and put in the sum greater than 100 to return true, and then we cancel log 100 and enter. That's true. Number 10, write a function that takes an array of numbers to return average of all the elements in an array. So we put the function of average rate sum 0 in the loop. We create a loop with an array length. And then we return the sum divided by the array length, and we console log the average of ages. Number 11, we're supposed to write a function that takes the arrays from the numbers and return true if the average of the element is the first array is greater than the element in the second array, which average 1, average 2, it returns true. It's actually supposed to, or yeah, else returns false, which in this case it wasn't, so it returns false. Write a function called will by drink that takes the boolean is out outside and the number of money in my pocket, and returns true if it's hot outside and if pocket money in my pocket is greater than 1050. Created our function. So we did have more than 1050. We had 10. So we will cancel log will vibrate because we had more. Um, and then the last one was asking us to create a function of our own to solve a problem, which I used the Boolean method to create my function. We'll get nails done, and then I did favorite colors, cash and hands. So if these two functions, if these two um, functions were true, then it would return manicure. If it didn't, then it would return no manicure. So I ended up, you know, so we had available colors, pink, red, and black, and then I had cash in hand for 30. So if I had less than 30, I'm sorry. And then they red was available, and I did have $25. So it did return manager because both of these are true. So as you can see there. And that's it.